Alright, test number whatever. Here we go. We're gonna cut my logo out.
Mistake already. Fuck. Progress is good. I need to adjust some things on the file, but overall we're pretty good. Catch up with you when it's done.
Gentlemen, hello again. So here we go. We got the sign cut out. As you can see, it's pretty cool, man. This is my first CNC plasma, so looks good. I gotta fill in the O's, which I did on the file, but I made them too thin, so the plasma just cuts it through. But this A, oh come on, focus, you bastard. This A held in there really nicely. The B's fell out, the A held in there, so you can see how small it is. So I gotta make that wider, and same thing with these circles here. I gotta make that wider. But overall, not bad. You can't really make it out, but again, I gotta make that wider, make everything bigger. Make the gaps wider. This A kind of held in there barely, so I got to make that wider. It's kind of a plaque for excavator buckets, side of the excavator bucket. Once I get this worked out, the dross is not bad, hardly any dross. Cut quality is superb. If I can get it to focus, it's like super smooth and super nice. Come on, there we go. Well, that's the best we're going to get on camera. It's a really nice cut, guys. Sick. Alright.